morning, students. From today onwards, we are going to discuss a new chapter, chapter 15, that is e commerce. This chapter is very interesting to you because, as commerce students, the concept that we are going to discuss in these chapters are more familiar to you, and also you have already studied these concepts in your 11th standard commerce book. Okay, students, let's start today's section. These are the topics we are going to discuss under chapter 15. First, we are going to discuss what is e-business and what is e-commerce and what is the difference between e-commerce and e-business. Then we are going to see the history of e-commerce, how e-commerce is evolved from the traditional commerce to new online commerce. Then we are going to see the growth of e-commerce, and we are going to see the different business models and classifications of e-commerce, that is B2B, B2C, C2B, and so on. You are also so familiar of this concept. And then we will see different revenue models available in e-commerce, and then we will move on to traditional commerce and e-commerce and difference between traditional commerce and e-commerce. Finally, we are going to discuss the various advantages, benefits, and also disadvantages available in commerce. Okay, students, in today's section we are going to see the first topic of 5th chapter, that is Introduction to E-commerce. Introduction to e-commerce. You know very well what is commerce. Commerce is nothing but buying and selling of goods and information. In olden days, the customer goes to the market and checking out variety of products and choosing the required items and purchasing them directly after paying them. So you know very well this is the traditional commerce. After the introduction of internet, commerce also adapts all the innovations and technologies of internet for its commercial activities. So nowadays buying and selling of goods can be done anytime, anywhere. In traditional commerce, especially in olden days, barter system was used especially for purchasing and selling. You know very well what is barter system. Bartering is an exchange of goods and services between two or more parties without the use of money. For an example, buying rice by exchanging millets. But the internet and technology have changed the way that commerce is conducted. So totally the barter system is forgotten, and we can do all the commercial activities easily with a lot of innovation ideas. Okay, let's move on to today's concept. E-business. You know very well what do you mean by e-business. E-business is also called as online business. It is any kind of business or commercial transaction that includes sharing information across the internet. E-business not only uses internet but also it will use intranet and extranet. The name e-business was coined by the company IBM in the year 1996. E-business is entirely depends on internet for all its activities. It may be an activities between one company to another company, that is intra-company activities, or it may be an transaction between one company to another company, that is called an intercompany activities. So whatever it may be, the e-business is entirely depends on internet, such as procurement of raw materials, marketing their products, any financial activities, manufacturing of their products, selling of their products, or negotiation activities. For all activities, e-business is entirely depends on internet. That's why it is also called as online business. E-business is grounded on various technologies such as network infrastructures, multimedia content and network publishing, infrastructure and messaging, information distribution infrastructure, and other common business services. We will also discuss these technologies under the topic e-business building block. A company is said to be online company or it is called as e-business only if the company has the ability to conduct business electronically over internet. And second condition is if the company manages all its payment transaction through internet only. And if the company is called as e-business only if the company has a platform for selling its products, all products and services through internet. So then only any company is called as e-business. E-business building block. The technologies which behind the e-business are called e-business building block. There are 4 building blocks available in this. They are network infrastructure, multimedia content and publishing, messaging and information distribution, and fourth one is common business service infrastructure. Let us discuss these building blocks in brief. These are e-business building block. The first one is network infrastructure. The network infrastructure includes internet, intranet and extranet. You know very well what do you mean by internet. Internet is nothing but interconnection of millions of computers over all the countries to exchange information and to exchange products, especially in e-business. Intranet, you know very well, it is a network within a company or within a campus for exchanging services and information only within their employees. And extranet is a third party. It acts as an interface between the internet and intranet to exchange goods and information between them. So e-business uses all the infrastructure and technologies available in internet, intranet and extranet for its business activities. And second building block of e-business is multimedia content and publishing. As e-business is fully depends on internet, all its information should be displayed on internet in an interactive and innovative way, which will be easily accessed by many users. So, the content should be created with the help of multimedia elements. You know very well what are the different multimedia elements available. So, the content may be developed with the help of various text, images and also video clipping. So, to create multimedia content, that is especially websites will be created for publishing all e-business content on internet. For that purpose, e-business use HTML and various web designing languages, not only for creating multimedia content, marketing of their products is also published with the help of various multimedia technologies. So, to displaying their products, they can also market their products online and also attaining the various customer interest. Next e-business building block is messaging and information distribution. In any business, messages can be distributed within the company or among various companies or from the company to the customer. For that, it uses EDI, that is electronic data interchange. For communication, e-business will use email. For displaying the websites and online transaction, it will also use the protocol HTTP, and all its inventory management systems will become computerized and also available on internet anytime and anywhere. Last building block of e-business is common business service infrastructure. So it allows all the electronic payment through online Not only that, it maintains supply chain management from the production to the marketing. It maintains all the technologies of internet. And all business transaction will be done with the help of online banking systems. Products and services are distributed over internet, and also money will be transferred with the help of DigiCash and net banking. Okay students, in this video we discuss what is e-business and what are the building blocks of e-business. In second video we will discuss what is e-commerce and what are the difference between e-business and e-commerce.